So welcome back, guys, to another video on Kids Coding Playground. Today we'll be doing the last part of this video, boss fight. So in the last video, we worked on the force attack, the throw and saber, the saber throw, ring, and the saber spin. So I'll be going through these to let you guys see if you haven't, or if you're done with it. So this is the code for the saber spin. It's pretty simple. Ring, this is the ring. The ring. Saber throw. Pretty simple. Throw and saber. Says throw and saber. Let's drag down a little. See the code. So this is throw and saber and force attack. So we'll be finishing up the force attack since we aren't done with it. So we'll get a one flag clicked. If then touching the dark boss, then touching the boss, then we can change boss HP by -100. By -100. Then we wait 1 second, so you can't just keep on spamming the move. Next, we'll want to get another one flag clicked. Forever. Repeat until Y position is equal to -60. So this will automatically drop the cat if it's in the air and uses the force attack. Then we will automatically go down. Y position is equal to -60. Change Y by -10. So this will keep on going down if you use the force attack in midair. So as you can see, let's play it. Jump. It'll automatically go down. You see it? Automatically goes down when you go faster down. So that's it for all the attacks. We are done with all the attacks. Now we're gonna have to work on the HP bars, the fireball, and the boss. So let's work on the cat HP. So this is the this is the cat HP. This thing, it's for the cat. You can just put in the cat. One flag clicked. Gotta wait 1 second. This is quite simple. Forever. If then you need an or statement. If then HP is equal to 0 or less than 0. If HP, which is the cat HP, is less than or equal to 0, 0, 0, then we can broadcast a message called game over. We will need game over for the other sprites soon. So let's broadcast game over. So we broadcasted game over. And since we broadcasted game over, we need to let all the sprites receive it. So, so for the saber spin attack, if it's game over, when I receive game over, then hide. Just give this to all the sprites, so they will all hide when game over. You don't have to give it to the health and health box or the boss and boss HP, because you can still show them to show how much health you have left and stuff. So you can just give it to all the sprites up to the force attack. You don't have to do it for these. Then the fireball. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go to the work on the health bar for the cat. But first we can set the X and Y position for the health box. So when clicked, go to this X position and Y position, somewhere in the corner right here, and show in the beginning. So, and then health bar, now work on the health bar. So when flag clicked, we want to go to this X and Y position, -141, Y 30, somewhere right here, and show in the beginning. Forever, we want to set the color effect to 0. Set the color effect to 0, and then set size to HP. So what this does is set whatever size it is to the HP. So if you're at 100 HP, it'll set to 100 size. If you're at like 70 HP, then it'll set to 70 size. So you want to set the size to the HP. To the HP. How much? It depends how much health you are. It'll set to what size. And if then, get an if then statement. If then HP is less than 21. So if the variable HP, which is if the HP for the cat is less than 21, then we can change the color effect by 170, so it will turn red. So show that you're critical on health, you're low on health. 170 is a red color. If then statement, if then or statement. If then HP, this is the same as the cat. If then HP is equal or less than 0. So if the HP is less than or equal to 0, then it'll hide. So just drag the HP, hide. So that's the health bar code. Next we can work on the boss health bar, which is here, boss health. When flag clicked, we want to set the costume to the first costume. Switch costume to dark 1. So as you can see, when the boss loses health, it'll just lose color. So we'll want to set it to full health in the beginning. So next we want to set the X and Y position to here, 180, Y 140. Set the size to 40%. I think it's already at it, but if you haven't, then get the block and set it to 40%. Forever loop. If then, we need an AND statement. If then boss HP is less than if boss HP is less than 2,500, boss HP is less than 2,500 and boss HP is greater than 2,000, so in between 2,000 and 2,500, boss HP is greater than 2,000, then we'll switch costume to dark 2, so that notifies you that it loses a little bit health. It'll tell you that he lost a bit health, so you can switch costume to dark 2. Then we can duplicate this. We'll need to do this until down to 0. So if boss HP is less than 2,000 and boss HP is greater than 2,000 and less than greater than 1,500 and less than 2,000, sorry, then it will change costume to dark 3, and so on. So this is between 1,500 and 2,000. It'll change his costume to the third costume, this one. So you see. So we can just duplicate this, change this. If the boss HP is less than 1,500 and greater than 1,000, then switch costume to dark 4. This should be 1,000 and 500. We can switch to dark 5. Duplicate this. So if the boss is 500, less than 500 HP, or greater than 0, so in between 0 and 500, Let's switch costume to dark 6. And finally, we'll need an OR statement right here. Instead of an AND, because it's either or, not both, which is AND. So if boss HP is less than 0 or equal to 0, so we'll need to get an equal sign. If boss HP is less than or equal to 0, then we can change the costume to dark 7, which is the no HP. And I think this has to go to the back layer. Go to back. See, now it's good. See, now it's like that. You can just put it up here. Probably forgot to put it. See, when you lose health, the HP bar goes down, as you can see. So we're not done with the code for the less HP yet, so we'll work on that soon. So for the boss, we'll need to add some code. When flag clicks, go to this X and Y position. I put down 170, -30, that's my original one. Clear graphic effects, because when you hit it, it will also change color. If you haven't done this yet, set size to 65%. In the beginning, show. When flag clicked, set boss HP to 3000. So it will have 3000 HP. 3000 HP, show variable, boss HP. And forever, point towards cat. Forever, point towards cat. So we'll always look at it, I'll face it. And when flag clicked, wait 1 second. Forever, glide, pick random. You want to do pick random 0.5 to 2 seconds. 2 seconds to pick random -85 to 170 for the X. 170, and we can just keep the Y as -30. Wait 1 second, and then wait 1 second. So it will glide randomly. See, it will glide randomly to random positions. So next we see the boss is losing HP now, right here. And when it's less than a certain amount of HP, and you can put this like this, so it's easier to read. And then when it loses HP, the HP bar will slowly drain down, as you can see. Try to get it a bit more lower so you can see the difference. See, it's losing more HP. We haven't done it throwing the fireball yet, so we'll work on that next. As you can see, the HP is slowly draining. So that's what we have for now. We'll have more code for the boss. When flag clicked, wait 1 second. Get a forever loop. Forever, if then, touching, we need 2 OR statements. So if it's touching, either the Saber spin, the thrown Saber, so the thrown Saber, right here, or the force attack. Force attack, right here, yeah. So we'll need to repeat 10 times. Change color effects, so as I told you, it will change color effect when it's getting hit. Change color effect by 25, and you can clear graphic effects after it's done. And get another if then statement. Make this a little bit smaller so you can see the top. If then boss HP is less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0. 0. Boss HP is less than or equal to 0. Then we can hide. So that means he's dead. And we can broadcast a message called win. make a new message, win. So we'll need to give all the sprites, when it wins, it'll hide. So here, when I receive win, then hide. We'll just give it to all the sprites. You don't have to give it to the HP bars. Give it to the boss. And I don't remember putting the when I receive game over, so let me hide it too. So that's it for the boss. Now we can work on the win screen and the lose screen and the fireball. So let's work on the fireball first. So fireball over here. When flag clicked, hide in the beginning. Wait 1 second. Forever. Wait, pick random 1 to 3 seconds. Pick random 1 to 3 seconds, and it has to go to the boss in the beginning. Boss. And point towards the cat at all times. So it'll follow the cat. It'll go towards the cat. So cat and show. So we'll need to broadcast a message called fireball. Once it is ready, fireball, and repeat 60 times. Repeat 60 times, move 10 steps. This is just to go towards the cat. Move 10 steps and get an if then statement. If then touching the cat. Touching cat. Then wait 0.25 seconds. Wait 0.25 seconds and hide. Just let it show that it hit the cat. So next, we'll want to get another if-then statement. So if it's touching, we'll need a lot of or statements. So if it's touching either, we'll need 3 or statements, I think. So 3 or statements. If it's touching the edge, touching the force attack. So if it's touching any of attacks, it will also hide. So all the attacks can also deflect it. Touching the thrown saber or touching the saber spin. Then we can hide. And get another if-then statement. If the boss is at less than or equal to 0 health, less than or equal to 0. If boss HP is less than or equal to 0, then we can stop the script. Because this script doesn't apply anymore once the boss is dead. Stop this script. So next we can work on the win screen and the lose screen. So when clicked, you want to go to 0, 0 and hide. Hide. So when I receive win, then we can show and stop all to let the player know that they won. Stop all. So next we can work on the lose screen. It's similar. So when flag clicked, go to 0, 0, hide. When I receive game over, which is the losing, game over, then we can show and stop all. So that's all the code for the whole game. So now let's play it. So as you can see, it works perfectly fine. The boss will throw his fireballs. So then you can just play it. So in the previous video, I forgot to add this, the show 2. That's why you saw the Saber cat in the background. So remember to add this right here, the show 2. So it'll hide and it'll show back to the normal. So as you can see, you can also deflect fireballs. See that? Your attacks, you can deflect fireballs. And also you can prevent any damage by using an attack. And you don't take any damage when you're using an attack. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.